When you're craving a sweet treat, it doesn't get easier than this. This is saffron barfi that comes together in minutes, which can be made all year round, but for me, it's the perfect Eid treat. Whether you're having those last minute guests coming over or you simply just want to take it over to family and friends' homes. Using just a few ingredients, but the key one I'm using here is Nanak Foods ghee, which is clarified butter and healthy fat. Once that has just slightly melted, you just add some sugar and some saffron milk to that and let the sugar dissolve. Mix that up, and from there you want to add in your milk powder 1 cup at a time, making sure to stir and mix in between until you get a consistency that looks just like that. Now I'm adding just a little bit of sweetened condensed milk here, but that part is optional, some cardamom, and on a low heat just continuously gently fold this until it all separates from the pan. I've lined an 8x8 pan here and just pouring it right in, flattening out the top just to make sure it's nice and even all across, putting in some saffron on top and some cardamom, but you can add whatever you'd like, then allowing for it to set in the refrigerator for just a little bit. Once it's done, cut them up into desired pieces and you are ready to plate these up. Now every Eid, this is a staple in our home with just a slight variation of flavors, and from my family to yours, I hope you enjoy.